25 Raising Cane's chicken fingers, one man. Who will come out on top? That's the question we're asking here, and not too late. Throughout the week, our production team has been putting up posters advertising the event of the century. We went viral on Twitter. The IDS, IUSTV, and WTIU newsrooms were biting at the chance to cover this extraordinary feat of man. Some people thought 25 chicken fingers wasn't all that impressive. To those people, when was the last time you ate 25 chicken fingers? You're stupid, and I hate you. My name is Mark Lowney, and this is my chicken, my story, and my life. Legacy, history, mankind, chicken.
There will eventually be a day that is the end. A day where time will collapse and everything before will be lost. Where all light in this universe will be snuffed out at the last brilliant supernova. However, that day is not today. That's right, because today we burn bright. Today, the people of Bloomington, Indiana will blind the earth with our passion and desire. And that desire is the desire to witness something never before seen nor imagined. For on this beautiful sunny day of Friday, October 11th, 2024, all of you people are here voluntarily to witness a feat so monumental and magnificent our ancestors will speak of this day for centuries to come. The challenge presented to this man who you will see exists in the form of 25 battered and fried Raising Cane's chicken fingers. And believe me, this man is up for the challenge. Because throughout 15,000 years and generations of humanity existing on this earth, I fucked that up, but never before seen has an undertaking like this ever been done. Today, we are changing not only the culture of Indiana University, but of the whole world as we know it. That is because today, you witness history. Come on, a little bit more. Today, you witness history. Today, you witness a legacy being born. And today, you bear witness to Mark Lowney.
Let's see what we're working with here.
Now let me ask everybody here, who thinks he can do it?
Yeah!
So let's see him eat.
And if I don't do it, you can beat me to death.
Let's see.
First bite!
First bite!
What is this for? Why do you need this?
Get rid of that Everybody, repeat after me. I believe that Lowney! Mrs. Lowney!
Dedicate this tender to my dad!
Mr. Lowney! Mr. Lowney! Mr. Lowney!
I dedicate this tender to Chief Keith!
Hey, Mark, how about you take that hoodie off? Mark, I gotta know. I gotta know how you feeling right now.
Feeling like $1 million.
He feels like $1 million. Mark, I gotta know. Do you think you can equal us with that?
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah!
Bring in 25 more!
He wants more! We don't have it.
I dedicate this win, this tender, to space. I'm gonna go get the trash can just because I need to throw out these cane sauces.
Right! Eco-friendly! Okay, sustainability.
Yeah! How many more do you have?
11 after this.
11?
Going straight.
Mark, you're over halfway there! I'll ask again, who thinks they can do it?
What do you say?
I dedicate this tender to you all!
He's got 10 left!
15 chicken tenders!
This man's eating 15 chicken tenders!
I dedicate this tender to dinosaurs.
Dinosaurs! 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 Mark, how many more? Count.
9.
9 more!
Single digit! Come on, Lowney!
Give me paper towels.
Paper towel.
You really think I am? I dedicate this tender to environmental sustainability. Those people on Twitter saying 25 is a lot of chicken tenders. I want to see them do this, okay?
Mark, what do you guys say to the haters?
Fuck you!
Yeah!
I dedicate this tender to feminism. Never felt better.
I tried to show 'em.
You're in your prime.
Guys, Mark's looking a little down. He needs a little bit of encouragement. You're on there, push. One more push. 1 minute.
Deep breath, deep breath. You got this, Mark. Fight it, Mark.
I just love you guys so much. I don't want to let you down.
Mark, you gonna earn that crown?
Yeah, Mark.
The wind of retreat, we all in too deep. Let it have a peach, don't will the weak.
Take a lap. Take a lap.
Eat that chicken. Eat those tenders. Eat those tenders. Eat those tenders. Eat those tenders. You got the mark.
I've eaten 18 chicken tenders.
Let's push 7 more.
No one's seen her, trying to clean her. She's in love with
Let's
who
do
I
a
am.
whole other KPX
Back in high
taco.
school, I used to
Yeah.
bust it to the
Take care.
I did represent 13 hours till I land. Have me
If you believe in Mark Clowney, give me a hell yeah! Hell yeah! If you think he can eat those 7 chicken tenders, give me another hell yeah! Hell yeah! Eat, 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 eat,
We bring the boom to you. FYP.
Mark, they want you to take another bite.
case where I see around. Certified lover boy, certified
Eat that bite. A minor.
They not like us.
He's got 6 more. No. Oh,
Like a fake pack of
no. Mark, you keep the head up, Mark. Come on. Mark, we love you, Mark.
make them rich and fast.
You can do this, Paul! Only you can do this. No one else!
see it. Help you get your lingo off. 21, get your first street cred. Bitch, you feel like you a slime in your
You got it, Mark. Don't worry.
Mark, come on, Mark. Let's go, Mark.
When you need a few dollars,
You got it.
the family rather have the truth for the matter. He was God's plan to show you the
All right. 19 chicken fingers for Mark Lowney.
That is a feat in and of itself. Everybody, clap for Mark.
Give him a round of applause, everybody.
Fuck yeah.
All right, Mark.
Well, we have your attention. Go vote in November. I early voted today. You can still do that till
November 4th.
Get out there. It's on 302 South Walnut if you can vote here or vote absentee. Go do that. This is unrelated, but go do that. Everybody, one last cheer for Mark. Thank you.
So, it didn't work out. Tune in next time for a completely different episode of Not Too Late. Never touch a chicken finger again. Bye-bye.